So next software we are going to install, that is the Python software. So same thing, just you have to open the Google. Okay. And in this you have to just type the website name python.org. Once you type this, you can see this is the official website to download the Python software to run the Python in your computer or laptop. Just click on this, welcome to python.org, and then you have to click on the download, and you can see this is the download button. Okay, and once you click on this download, you can see the Python is installing here. Okay, downloading, and just you have to click on this open file. Okay, so now you can see here you can getting the two options. So here you have to make sure. Okay, so first of all, okay, listen carefully. First of all, you have to check this particular box in the bottom side. You can see in the bottom side, add python.exe to path. Okay, so you have to make sure this button should be marked. Next step, okay, click on the custom installation. Next step, make sure everything is marked. Okay, and again then only you have to click on the next option. And in the next step also, again you have to make sure everything is marked. Okay, and then you have to click on the again install button. Okay, follow the instructions carefully. Okay, and next again click on the install, and then you will get the option like user control, user access control. Click on the yes. Okay, and now you have to wait for some time. It will take few minutes depending upon the system configuration and internet speed. Okay, if you are using the 8 GB RAM, 16 GB RAM, 32 GB RAM, it will take very less time. But if your system configuration is less, so 6 GB RAM, 4 GB, 2 GB, then it will take very lengthy time. Okay, and the internet speed also. Okay, so it takes few minutes. Okay, we have to wait. Okay, so it is almost done. We have to wait for 2 more minutes. Okay, so now you can see here we got the message setup was successful. Now you have to click on the close button, and I want to check whether the Python is installed or not. I can go to the command prompt, and here I have to type just Python space -f version. And once you enter this, you can see we are getting this particular Python 3.11.5. Okay, if Python is not installed, you will not get this particular version result. Okay, now next thing we have to use the editor. Okay, and using the editor where we can write the code something. So for installing the editor, we have editor Jupyter Notebook. Okay, it is simply if you open the Google, just type Jupyter Notebook. This is a very good editor for freshers or beginner. And if you click on this, you can go to the install, and you can see here uh, how to install the Jupyter Notebook. Just you have to type the pip install notebook command, and then you have to run the in the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, in the command prompt only. So first step, you have to open the command prompt, but make sure it should be in the administrator mode. So you have to right click, run as the administrator, or else just when you're typing this command prompt, or it will show here run as the administrator. So if you right click also, it will show you run as administrator, and once you type here in the search box, you can see here run as the administrator. So you have to click on run as the administrator, then click on the yes, and it will open as the administrator mode. You can see here it is showing the administrator in the top side. Okay, so then you will get the idea. It is in the admin mode. So next, what is you have to mention? You have to mention pip install notebook. So here you have to mention pip space install space notebook. And once you write this command, just click on the enter button. It will start installing this. Again, same thing. It will take some time according to the system configuration and the internet speed. If your system configuration is not good and internet speed is very poor, then it will take some time. Okay, and sometime in the middle also it will stuck. Okay, again you have to reinstall. So make sure you are using the good configuration and good internet. Okay, so now you can see here it is blinking. So don't close it. Okay, so some student what will do, they'll close it. They might think like it is completed. No, okay, you have to wait. Okay, you have to wait for some time. So don't close this particular window. Again, what will happen is the file will be corrupted. Again, you have to remove all the files from the C drives. Again, you have to reinstall. Okay. So wait for some time. Okay, because the files are again is loading. Okay, so now it is successfully installed. Okay, how you can see this message successfully installed, and you can see here we are getting this c.windows.system32. It means it is successfully installed now. And how you can check it is installed or not? You have to close this administrator mode. Okay, and open the normal way wherever you want to store your files. For example, I want to store this file in the downloads only, or else if I just click on any particular drive. Okay, just assume in the August 9 a.m. folder I want to, you can see already some files are there. I want to open in this particular folder. So just you have to click on this particular path. Don't click on this buttons. Okay, 9 a.m. August. Okay, so just the space bar is there, right? The space is there, empty space. Click on here. Okay, and just you have to type CMD. Once you enter the CMD, okay, you can see here now you are into this particular folder. Okay, 2003 August 9 a.m. Python folder, and here you have to type it Jupyter Notebook. Okay, and in which folder you want to save, just open that folder and just write CMD, and now it will open your default browser. Okay, if your default browser is Chrome, Mozilla, whatever the browser is there, in that particular browser it will open. Okay, so now you can see it is loading. And now you can see this, all the files are loaded. And now if I want to check it, just you can click on the new, okay, new notebook file, okay, and you can see the file is created. Now if you click on the select, and if you want to rename this file, just let me make it as a test as a rename, okay. And if you want to scroll, just you can click on the control and zoom it, or else you can see you can zoom and zoom out here also, okay. And here you can write to check, for example, if I run print command, okay, something hello world, okay. And now you can see this is the code which you have written and this is the output, okay. And you can write some other code, a equals to 10, b equals to something 20, c equals to a plus b, okay. And just you want to print the c value, nothing but the 30, you will get the output, okay. In this way you can check it, okay. So this is the way how you can download it. If you are getting any issues, please let me know.